welcome to a amazing Monday. The kickstart everything off. Monday, week is starting. Now, if you didn't see the last video, our C8 Z06 is going to production, or it's in production. I found out that emails from 7 days ago now. I don't know. We're gonna find everything out today, I think, and just get the ball rolling. Though Monday, it's always college first thing in the morning. College first thing in the morning.
Decisions. Corvette or McLaren? Huh? Which one? It doesn't get more legendary than that. Official test driver McLaren right here won this third place trophy. Total flex.
Beautiful day today, beautiful day. It's cooling down California. No longer is it 110 degrees every single day. The question is, Corvette hat today, or should we get the British supercar?
All right, day in the life. Whew, looking good as ever. Yeah, this car is a definite keeper in the garage. But oh my gosh, look at those tires down below. Yeah, I need to find new tires ASAP. I almost don't feel comfortable driving it like this. Maybe you just play safe one day. 1, 2. Here comes the fun part. Heated seats are on, heated steering wheel on a cold California morning. Yeah, I think we made the right call today. We made the right call, I think. McLaren new tires and an ASAP racetrack, I think. It's so hard getting tires right now. It's so bad! It's so bad! This is it. We have made it. Welcome to college. Getting a business degree out here. First class of the day is entrepreneurship. Now, honestly, I've kept it hush-hush what I do, unless someone finds out or recognizes me. But so far, I'm just trying to keep it on the down low and blend in. Okay, this is always the hard part, trying to find a good parking spot. It's very sketchy driving this car to college, but let's go ahead and figure this out. You gotta find a safe spot that no one can park next to you anywhere at college. But let's pull on in. Yeah, it seems like, yeah, it's backed up. Oh gosh, I've had it. I think, should we sneak into the teacher-faculty lot? I don't know, should we do it? Let's do it. They like it this close to hitting you. You gotta be really careful. Faculty, staff. You know what, this car is better than the staff cars, isn't it? We gotta blend in, like we're the dean almost. Employee of the month parking spot, or the reserved for sponsored guests. Okay, this is it, all parked. Front row spot, check that out. Yeah, this thing looks so mean. Cannot wait for this new car coming. Let me check up on that right now and see what's all going on. Is it getting built right now? Because if it is, our flat plane crank Ferrari Corvette, or this is the car I think Ferrari wanted to make, is gonna get built. Okay, so I'm ordering Chick-fil-A over here. College life, I mean, people protesting outside next Chick-fil-A. This is it, just made it back, turned off the C8R. Now, I found out, so yeah, it's in production. It's actually a radio. It's in production, it's getting built right now. I think it might be like a Halloween build almost. We shall see, that'll be pretty crazy. So stay tuned for a Halloween spectacular episode. All in all, I'm so happy because I've always been a fan of the naturally aspirated high revving V8s. I sold my Shelby GT350R back in the day, like 2 years ago, and that car was just unbelievable with the flat plane crank and the red line going up to 8,000 RPM and shifting yourself. Though this is not a manual like that Shelby was, this is a mid-engine supercar essentially. It's extremely fast, again, all motor, ton of contact patch. It's gonna be wild, especially to properly test out against other supercars on the racetrack and elsewhere. When I drove it, you got to realize it's a very the environment is not the same as when you own it yourself or drive it privately, because you're there with the team and you want to get a feel for the car safely and understand in a very short window, in like 10 minutes. So this is gonna be different because we're taking the keys, getting ownership, and then we can go wherever we want with it to find out what it's truly like. And knowing everyone that we do with these crazy high-end cars in California, I think it's gonna be fun linking up with friends and seeing how it compares. Question is, should we leave on the Cup 2Rs? Should we put on Hoosiers instead? Try to go after like a racing compound setup as is? I'm gonna leave the Cup 2Rs. I think, and we're gonna go through them and feel how they last over time. I did drive it on Fresh Cup 2Rs, which are, if you don't know, Cup 2Rs are the sticky standard tire it comes with. And what makes a Cup 2R so special is that it's the same tire that you will find with Porsche when they run their world record lap times. This is the fastest tire money can buy. That is still street legal and is a good blend between street and the racetrack. It's gonna be so cool, and doing a cross-country adventure. I am excited. I am so excited, and I cannot wait. I'm counting down the days. My question is, how many days does it actually take to build the vehicle? Because if I got that email about a week ago, a little over a week ago now, and it's in production, how long do you think it's going to take before it rolls off the line? And then, that being said, is the process going to be exactly the same as a C8 Stingray when they build it? The car is going down the same assembly line as a C8 Stingray, but I wonder if they're going to be building these in a certain way that is different, because they are very expensive. You know, it's I'd say triple the price almost of a base MSRP non-option Stingray. That's a lot of money. When you buy a car that is of this caliber, Porsche money, Audi R8 money, you're going to expect a certain level of quality and craftsmanship. I think we're going to see it because the cars that I've experienced have been phenomenal. It's a real big important thing to highlight. When you're stepping into this field of money and price tier of cars, you got to expect a very luxurious and high quality build. I hope that the cars get on the assembly line with no issues. The body panels are perfectly aligned, all that good stuff. Again, I've had great experiences with a Corvette, so I don't think it's going to be any different, but I'm just saying that because it's a really important thing that is on your mind when you're paying this much money for a car. And the McLaren to the right, it's going to be a really cool combo. It's going to be a really cool combo. I'm already lining up right now all the events, all the functions we're taking this thing to the best of my ability. If it gets built now or the end of this week, when do you think we can actually pick it up? How long does it usually take? If you own a C8 Corvette, please let me know in the comment section down below. How long has that process been between you hitting, let's say, like 3,300 status or 34, and then hitting 3,800 status? I'll explain this more deeply. 33 is you're scheduled. 3,400 means that you are being built. I believe that's what we are right now, 3,400. 3,800 is when the car gets built, and then 4,000 is, I think, shipped or delivered. Let me know how your C8 statuses have been all throughout the timeline. I'm looking forward to hearing it, what all you have to say. I am setting up a lot of meetups with the vehicle, so all of you can experience it. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So please follow us on Instagram, that being a speed_phenom, because I'll be posting more updates on there in the coming days, hopefully in the coming days, if not in the next week, really going over what the game plan is and how we can all link up at different places across the country. I'm curious to find out how much money it's going to even cost to own. How much are our tires going to be? How much are our brake pads going to be? Brakes going to be? How fast are we going to go through it? And how it's going to really stack up in terms of longevity. This is crazy and exciting because this is a American car that is in the same talking statement as a 458 Special, or let's be honest, 458's out of date. That car is nowhere near the latest cars coming out. It's just not. It's a 10-year-old plus car. You want to see it compare against my 600 LT or a F8 Tributo, stuff like that. And we're going to test that. We're going to test that. Disregard 458. We're talking about that car because it sounds good. Is this going to be as fast or faster than the Lamborghini Huracan or the GT3? I'm curious too, when do you get your window sticker? Can you generate your window sticker when you get the VIN? Or do you have to wait till you see the car in person to get a hold of the window sticker? If you have the answer to that question, please let me know as well, because I'm very curious. I really want to see what a Z06 window sticker looks like, and I haven't quite seen one yet. Now, have you? And I heard that a Z06 got hit. So saw that in the news. That was pretty sad. Someone actually crashed into a GM official company car. It was just rammed into. Someone actually T-boned it, I think. Can you believe that? Hitting a Z07, I think it was a Z07 package car. $100,000+ Corvette, special limited edition, and it being, I think, totaled. Very, very unfortunate thing, but I think the driver's fine. You just got to be careful out there. This is going to be a car, I think, to keep. Anyways, hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button to help me out and subscribe for much more great content coming out your way. I'll see all of you in the next episode. Make sure to follow us again on Instagram, that being speed_phenom. I hope all of you have a great rest of your day.